Hello, YouTube friends and followers. This video is about a shower not working. Sometimes this little knob here will not come up. As you know, you're going to pull this knob up to take a shower because it diverts the water to the shower. So we'll pretend this knob is broken and it won't come up. What you want to do then is get some pliers or vice grips. Use pliers if you have them. I couldn't find any for this demo, but you want to get these vice grips here and a towel. And probably a towel you don't care about. Put it around this knob and then set these vice grips so it doesn't dig in and hurt the metal, but it's enough to grip. Okay? And then you want to turn it like this, and as you're turning, pull up. And eventually you'll find that this will loosen up and it will go up. And so when you're done, you want the knob to move like that. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and have a great shower.